The toolbar menu's extrude category will only appear when we're working in edit mode. Tab, to go to edit mode. Press and hold the extrude button to see the full features. The same extrude features can be accessed by using Alt-E, shortcut while in edit mode as well. Extrude region is the default extrude feature. Extrude manifold allows us to extrude into, or out of existing faces separated by edges like this. Ctrl-R, to make loop cuts. Let's select the top middle face and extrude manifold. This is a time saver, but once we apply that, we can't make loop cuts underneath. This is before extrude manifold. This is after. Extrude individual is used when we need to extrude multiple faces separately. This is what happens when we extrude region. This is extrude individual. Extrude to cursor means the faces will extrude toward where the cursor is. We need to select the tool and click anywhere on the screen. Unlike other extrude tools, this tool doesn't have a handle. Click anywhere on the screen. This tool works like typing E to extrude, and G to move. This is the end of the basic extrude tutorial. Thank you for watching.